Not another Ford. So we got this car. It had been wrecked in the front, along that fender. Bumper's got a big hole in it right here behind the bra, and a crack along the top, and the grill was missing. What I didn't know when the grill was missing is that there's a piece that goes along here that's also missing. So I got a new grill, which is actually red, but it got painted black because apparently people thought it would look better. But I put a bronze so you couldn't tell. But now I went to put a piece of cardboard in there to keep the radiator cooler or warmer. But this piece that I was going to use, it's this thing here. It goes in there and the grill mounts in the center of it here. You can see right there. That goes into here. And it bolts here and here and down there. But it's not there. So I went and got it off a different car, and now I'm going to put it in there. If I can get the bolts off. It's stuck. Come on. There. Oh, don't break. What? That whole thing's supposed to turn? I don't think so. Well, maybe I have to put a hood latch on it too. Oh boy. Oops. Yep. Okay, I'm gonna go get a hood latch off the other car. It's shiny over here. Well, take the hood latch off the other car then, I suppose. Since that one's busted. Stupid rusty Ford. I think this part's Mazda though, so I'll yell at them about it. And the clip. And it's off. I guess I could put this one back in. Oops. Oh boy. Ah boy, broke the camera. Hello? Ah boy. Let it thaw out. Be back. Well, got it in. Lens still has a foggy spot on the camera, but not much I can do about it. It hasn't thawed out. One of the bolts down here was broken off. This one on this side. And the other one I'm using for the ground for the fog lights there. So, yeah, I know I need to tape it up, but there's nothing metal out there. That's why I got the zip tie around it. So, hasn't shorted out yet, and they've been there a few months. So, now I got this on. This was bent up here. I had to bend. It had to go down over here and up over here to fit. I got the new hood latch on, and now I'm going to close the hood and try to open it, because I broke this here. It doesn't stay there, so I'm going to do it without the grill just in case it doesn't come back open, and make sure that the latch works. Yep. Let's see. Well, the hood's down flatter. It used to stick up on this side. You can see there where it got wrecked. Now, let's see if it works. Oh yeah. Well, put the grill back on here and put everything back together. See, clips in the middle there. Now, put the lady bra back on. Uh-oh, what's that? Oh boy, coming apart at the seams. Oh well. There, now you can't even hardly tell. Gold car with a black grille and a white hood latch support. Oh well, nobody's gonna notice.